so excited. I'm so pumped. Grabe, I cannot wait to see na talagang umaapaw, pati mga bleachers dyan, na nag-aagawan tayo ng pwesto. And you know why? Because I know, deep in my heart, this company was born out of love. Talagang gusto namin tumulong sa aming mga kapwa. The reason why I am still here today, by the way, I am 50 years old today! Grabe! Minsan nakatingin ako sa salamin, hindi ako makapaniwala. Umabot ako ng 50. Thank you! Imagine, when I was 30 years old, the doctors told me, I have 6 months left to live. 6 months! It's been 20 years! Ang dami ng nahuling nagkasakit after me na naunang namatay. Bakit? Bakit? May purpose si Lord sa buhay ko. Ang purpose ni Lord sa buhay ko ay tumulong. I-spread ang hope. Nandito ako sa I Am Worldwide. Ito ang purpose ko. Alam nyo, the only thing different that I have done, the only thing different that I have done is I drink I Am Worldwide pure organic barley every day. So, it is our mission to spread this good news. Okay? Kailangan lahat ng tao na kilala natin, ipakilala nyo yung produkto natin na world class! I love you all. God bless you and continue to spread hope. Happy anniversary, I Am Worldwide!